Bitcoin QR codes are fast, but fast is only safe when you verify. A QR code is just a shortcut, a picture holding a long Bitcoin address, and maybe a payment amount. You'll see them for receiving from a friend, paying a merchant, or checking out online. You scan, and the address fills in automatically. This kills typing errors, but your job isn't done. The most important habit is to verify the address after you scan. Why? Because your camera can't spot a scam. In the real world, a thief can slap a sticker with their QR code right over a merchant's real one. Online, a malicious pop-up can appear just as you're about to scan. Your phone will scan whatever it sees. It can't tell you if it's the right one. You beat this with a simple 10-second check. After scanning, look at your screen. Confirm the first 6 and last 6 characters of the address, and double-check the asset. If you're sending Bitcoin, the QR code must be for Bitcoin, not some other crypto. Don't guess. Also, always check the amount, especially if it's pre-filled by the QR code. Don't just assume it's correct. You might also see codes for the main Bitcoin network, called on-chain, and others for the Lightning Network. They are not interchangeable, so use the right one for the payment. This all sounds like a lot, but it's a quick mental checklist. Confirm you're sending BTC, scan the code, verify the address, check the amount, then and only then do you send. QR codes are like autopilot, convenient, but you still check the controls. Remember the rhythm for every single transaction. Scan, verify, send. Do it every time, and it becomes one of the safest ways to use Bitcoin.